what's going on? What is going on? So we have Brittany and Cooper. So are you relaxing together? I think you are, aren't you? Yeah. Hello, Cooper. Hello, boy. Look at Cooper and Brittany. Oh, he likes his tummy tickled. Hello, Brittany. Let's have a look up here. What's going on up here? Let's have a look at the cats up here. Oh, we have Fluffy and Kim. Look at Kim's lovely eyes. Oh, amazing eyes. Hello, Fluffy. So where's Melody? Here she is. So it looks like every cat has fixed himself up with a nice little place to chill. Hello, Mel. Okay, from SnowCastle Cats, I will catch you in the next video. What? Okay.
Good friend now.
Bye.
Good friend.
See you later.